to the hype outside. Right from the house. Took it straight from outside. Straight to the couch. We put the mic outside. Edit shit out. We letting the scouts outside. We running the scouts. Ain't no control in the game.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in this video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we're working with UPretty hair. Shout out to UPretty hair for sponsoring today's video. So in this video we have a 99j body wave lace frontal wig. She is 13x4, 180 density. This is a body wave texture and I have it in 20 inches. So I wasn't sure what style I wanted to do. So I did try a few different looks on this wig, but I ended up going with a ponytail with some hair out in the front. So you'll see me try a few different looks throughout this video, but the last look I felt like was the best. So as far as this hair, it does have a really consistent body wave texture. I did add curls to it. As you know, body wave holds a better curl. So if you are someone that likes to put curls or waves in your hair, I would suggest the body wave, because this does come in a straight texture, but if you like to curl your hair, I would suggest you get the body wave texture. So the construction of this unit, this is a average cap size, and it is definitely true to size. I had no issues with the sizing on this cap. There are adjustable straps to the side as well as clips. UPretty does send over quite a few free gifts with this package, so you will receive a bonnet, an edge brush, I got a comb, I got clips, I got lashes, I got a headband. Is there anything else? You get quite a few gifts, which I do show you at the very end of the video, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in purchasing this wig or any of the other wigs from UPretty, check the description box down below, and I will see you in the next video.
You can do it all by yourself, baby girl. What's your name? Let me talk to you. Let me buy you a drink. I'm T-Pain. You know me. Convict music never I know the club goes at 3. What's the chance to you rolling with me? Back to the crib. Show you how I live. Let's get drunk, forget what we did. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the gray Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like talk to me. I talk back. Let's talk money. I talk back. Want you small. On cliches. Thought it got class. Oh, behave. Let's get gone. Walk it out. Just like that. That's what I'm talking about. We gon' have fun. You gon' see. On that Patron, you should get like me. I'ma buy you a drink. I'ma take you home with me. I got money in the bank. I be in the gray Cadillac. We in the bed like we in the bed like won't you meet me at the bar? Respect big pimpin'. Tell me how you feel, mama. Tell me what you see. A certified dime piece, third Louis 1-3. 150 a shot, 3 for you and 3 for me. I'm checking your body language. I love the conversation. And when you lick your lips, I get a tingling sensation. And we both buy tips till you say you in the mood. All I need is about an hour. Better yet, maybe let me take you out there. Around the switch gears. When I whisper in your ear, your legs hit the chandelier. Passion, fruit, and sex is all in the atmosphere. I'ma let T-Pain sing so he can make it clear.